In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WPS PDF to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the WPS PDF extension installed, pinned for quick access and set to automatically open your PDFs right inside Chrome. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store page for WPS PDF. This is the official listing where you can safely add the extension to your browser. Once you're on that page, look for the blue Add to Chrome button. Click it, and a small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will handle the download and installation for you. Give it a moment. When it's done, you'll see a brief confirmation that WPS PDF has been added. Next, let's make the extension easy to reach. Look to the top right corner of Chrome for the extensions icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. Click it to open your list of installed extensions. Find WPS PDF in that list. If you want it visible on the toolbar all the time, click the pin icon next to it. This is optional, but it saves you a click and makes opening PDFs with WPS faster during your daily work. Now, if you want PDFs to automatically open with WPS PDF in Chrome, click the WPS PDF extension icon on your toolbar. Inside the extension, open Settings. In the settings, turn on the option labeled Open PDFs in WPS PDF extension. With that switch enabled, any PDF you open in the browser will load with WPS PDF's viewer, so you get its tools without leaving your tab. Once it's set up, WPS PDF gives you a lot of power right inside Chrome. You can view and edit PDFs, highlight text, and add notes to keep your research organized. It also lets you fill and sign forms, which is especially handy for applications or approvals. Need to change the format of a file? Use the built-in converter to move between PDF and other common formats. And if you want help understanding a document quickly, take advantage of the AI chat and summaries inside your PDFs to pull out key points or ask clarifying questions. That's all there is to it. Open the WPS PDF page in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome, confirm with Add Extension, pin it if you like, and toggle the setting to open PDFs with WPS PDF. With these steps, you'll streamline your PDF workflow and keep everything neatly inside your browser. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new setup.